Greetings, class. I'm going to show you a tip on accessing my documents that I have for you in Google Drive. I've been getting some emails about how to do that, so this is a short clip on how to do just that. For example, we have the Real Schedule Time Management assignment. So when you click on this assignment, it will take you to the instructions. And when you read through the instructions, you will see that you have two options to access the document that you need. You have the PDF option. This option will not always be accessible to you, so throughout the semester, you will always have the Google Doc option, and I want you to understand how to use this Google Doc. So, when you click on the Google Doc link, it should redirect you to this page here. Now, you will see that you have the View Only option. This is because this assignment document is already in my Google Drive, and if you were to edit it, it would show up across all 5 sections of my class, and that is not what we want. What you want is to go to File, and you can go to Download As, and go to Word, Microsoft Word, or PDF, and then you can download it onto your own computer in those 2 programs, and you can edit it that way. You can also print it and be able to scan and upload as well. So those are your 3 options there. Download as Word, or PDF, or print. Now, the other option is to add it to your drive. So in order to add to your drive, you simply have to be logged on to Google Drive already. So that means that this add to my drive won't show up if you're not logged into your Google account. So do that first, and then you're able to click on Add to my drive. When you click on Add to my drive, it should show up in your Google Drive. So there's the assignment, Real Schedule Time Management. Now, the last step, once you're in your drive, is to make a copy. Once you make a copy, it's going to ask you to rename it, and you can, of course, organize it. So you would click OK, and then it will show up as whatever you renamed it as in your own Google Drive, and that is the document that you are able to type into, and you can do it all electronically and then submit the PDF from your Google Drive by going to File, Download As, PDF, and then you can upload it to Canvas. Let me know if you have any questions about this, or if it's not, or if any of the links are not working. I'll be more than happy to check on that and make sure everything is working correctly for you. That's it for today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.